Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. First off, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have any questions or comments, you can hit me up below or foxjunk73@gmail.com. So I'm a little distressed today. I've been at the hospital all day. Kidney stones for like the fifth time. I just got back. So the update today about this is Project Phoenix. I'm going to show you guys the car. I got the paint finished. It's cut, it's buffed. Fucking looks awesome. Oops, sorry about that. Let me know what you think below. I'm going to walk around the car. This is probably the last you see the car. If anybody wants to check it out in person, I'm going to have the car, I'm going to deliver it up at Bowling Green at the NMRA event, the 28th of September through the 1st. So I've got plenty of time to finish it up. Hopefully there's no more curveballs or anything like that, no more hospital visits, no more anything to that nonsense. I don't wish that on anyone. If you've ever had them, you know what I'm talking about. So if you want to know about materials I use, buffing compounds I use, what kind of buffer, I've since switched to a root style orbital. Works awesome. Finally did that thanks to my son. As far as paint, Omni, PPG, it works good for me. Been using it for years. This car turned out amazing. Had a few little trash in it here and there. Nothing major, but I did paint it in here in my garage. So if you notice, I painted the roof since the last one. Helped a lot. Last car painted, got a lot of dust. The guy that built this house used to do woodworking in here. So I spent a couple days painting the ceiling in here, setting up new plastic, got the floor really cleaned up before I painted this car, so I didn't have a lot of trash in the car. A couple little spots, nothing major. So without further ado, let's check this out. Oh, bam, son. So we'll give y'all a little bit of straightness down the side. Looking hot. Trunk lid. Give a nice little slow look. Look up them pillars where I work the lid area. Super straight. Roof of the car, super straight. Door, if you want to look down that side. Looking pretty good. Fenders. No body lines. That's how you gap one, guys and gals. Now, got to get the window put in it. That's the hood, cowl. Oh, there's the Miss Baker. BB. Baker. Nope, she's not in the mood today. Typical female. Oh, sorry about that. Passenger fender. One more look down the hood. Down the sides. This pillar also. The lead work was at. So so that being said, that's Project Phoenix fresh from paint. Oh, from my paint. Turned out amazing. No, it's not flawless. I don't build flawless cars. I don't know anybody that does. I build super nice driver cars, and that's what this car is going to be. Turned out amazing. I'll show you the trunk area. I did inside the trunk. Show you kind of how I do that real quick. So that's the bottom of the trunk. This is the trunk jam. Looking spiffy. No tape lines, no overspray. Got the trunk bolts painted like factory. All the bottoms done like factory. Looking nice. Painted inside. Did the spare tire well as well. Looks awesome. Down in here, looking good. Taillight panels got some compound on it. I didn't clean it. Not a big deal. So is this? Yeah. One more little walk around. So that's Project Phoenix, fresh paint. I painted the car before Memorial Day. Is that Labor Day, right? Labor Day. Talk to my wife. I'm an idiot. Painted before Labor Day. We went up to Illinois for 3 or 4 days. Spent some time up there. Came home, spent a day and a half wet sanding, cutting the car down perfectly flat, getting all the little nibs out of it. Then I spent a day or so buffing the car. So I've got a lot of hours in cutting buffing on the car. Want the car to look good, want it to look nice. I think I achieved that. It looks pretty good if you ask me. So Again, if you guys got any questions or comments, let me know what you feel about Project Phoenix so far, what it looks like. I think she looks pretty damn hot. Once we get the rest of the parts on it, get the quarter windows, interior back in it, and all the bumpers put back on the car, it should look really good. Again, if you want to see it, it'll be NMRA Bowling Green, 28th through the 1st. I've got a tent that's on its way. I'll have done, set up out there, paid for sponsorship spot out there, or whatever they want to call it. So I'll be out there somewhere. If you want to come see me, I got a big Fox Junk tent I'm having made. It should be here in a week or so. So see what that looks like when it comes out. Come out, give some support. My son's gonna be racing his little Fox body coupe, and you guys can check that out. And I'm probably gonna bring 1 or 2 more of the cars. Let me know which ones y'all want to see. 93R, my Celine coupe, maybe the Ford GT. Maybe bring it out. I know it's a Ford event, it's not a Mustang event, but let me know your comments on that, your opinions, and whoever voices the most and wants me to bring whichever, I'll bring that car. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay away from kidney stones. Shit hurts. It's the 5th or 6th time I've had them. Laid in the floor of the hospital, basically crying on the ground for 3 hours. Don't go to hospitals in Kentucky. They are not very good. Appreciate y'all, everything y'all done, all the views, all the watches, and all the positive comments on here and Facebook. So again, y'all have a good day, good evening, wherever it is, wherever you're watching, whatever time it is, and thanks again for subscribing. Subscribe. Have a good day.